Today at Ellwood Farm Machinery with a case cx100 fitted with a tremor loader, has a quick attachment headstock, four-wheel drive, good boots, good cab, 3-point linkage, pickup hitch with a hook and a drawbar, 540, 1000 PTO, trailer brakes, 2 auxiliary spools. It's road registered. We have the V5, and as you can see, gleaming well in the sun here. Jump in the cab. And when you sit in the cab, we've got a seat for sitting in. Easy to use. Lovely. Very simple and easy to use. Joystick controller. We're going a bit now. We'll put it into high first. Oh, we're going now. Good brakes. Oh, stop you dead if you're not careful. And simply pull the lever back. Very agile tractor. On the rear, down, up. PTO, if you can see it. There she is, doing a little dance for you. And a radio that you can hear. There she is, case cx100, ready for you. Partex is welcome, UK and Ireland delivery. More information available at ellwoodfarmmachinery.co.uk and the Facebook page. Thank you very much for your time.